factors affecting India's climate. Topic for today is factors affecting India's climate. Yesterday, I had taught to you there are five elements of weather and climate. These are, you can see here, temperature, precipitation, air pressure, humidity, and wind direction. Out of them, temperature is master key for it. Means temperature, the changing in temperature or, changing in temperature caused precipitation, caused air pressure, caused humidity and wind direction. It means कि टेम्परेचर में चेंजेज होंगे तो ये सारे में अपने आप चेंजेज हो जाएंगे. I want to know that what are the causes of changes in temperature. Can you say anyone? I want to know. Yesterday I had taught to you temperature is the master key for the weather and climate. That's why I want to make it clear how temperature changes on our earth. बताओ.
Sir, due to sun.
Sun is the ultimate source of heat. But I want to know that changes of temperature. It means you had studied in previous class about the motions of the earth. There are two types of motions having in our earth. One is rotation and another is revolution. It means revolution, motion of the earth, is responsible for the changing of temperature on the earth. Did you understand? Because during the revolution wave, earth sometimes becomes closer to the sun and sometimes become farther to the sun. होता क्या है कि रिवोल्यूशन का मतलब सन के चारों ओर तुम्हारी पृथ्वी विद इन 365 डेज 6 आवर्स में एक सर्किल कंप्लीट करती है, एक चक्कर पूरा करती है, जिसको हम ईयर कहते हो. तो उस रिवॉल्यूशन के क्रम में पृथ्वी और सन के बीच कभी डिस्टेंस क्लोज हो जाता है और कभी दूर हो जाता है. जब दूर होता है, जो भी पार्ट, whatever parts becomes farther from the sun, as a result that part receives low amount or less amount of heat. But at the same time, whatever part became of the earth became closer to the earth, such part receives high amount of the heat. As a result, you might experience, and I had taught to you in a previous class, there are two hemispheres, northern and southern hemisphere. Is it clear? There are two hemispheres, northern and south. So one time northern hemisphere having in the front of sun, and another time southern hemisphere having front of sun, vice versa. As a result, you will see temperature contrast between northern and southern hemisphere is subject to change as per the revolution motion of the earth. तो अब ये समझ में आया टेम्परेचर को चेंज करने वाला कौन फैक्टर है, बताओ.
सर, रोटेशन एंड रिवॉल्यूशन.
मेनली revolution ऐसे और factors हैं, other factors are also there, but out of them one is revolution motion is responsible for it. Now other factors also, so we will study about the factor which will determine the temperature, of course that will determine the climate. यानी वही फैक्टर जो फैक्टर टेम्परेचर को अफेक्ट करेगा वही फैक्टर जो है क्लाइमेट को भी अफेक्ट करेगा. बात समझ में आ रही? बिकॉज देयर इज कोरिलेशन बिटवीन टेम्परेचर एंड क्लाइमेट. जस्ट आई टॉट टू यू, टेम्परेचर इज द मास्टर की ऑफ द क्लाइमेट. क्लाइमेट का मास्टर की है टेम्परेचर. टेम्परेचर जो है मास्टर की है. So now we should know, the question would be, what are the affecting factors of India's climate? This is a question for you, because we have to learn as per the examination point of view also. The question is that what are the affecting factors of India's climate? Not only factor. Factor means factors. It means more than one. Answer we will discuss. The affecting factor of India's climate are. The affecting factors of India's climate are. Is it clear? Are you getting to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. It means you will see, and you have to keep in your mind that whatever factor will affect the temperature, that factor will affect the climate. It is a slogan word for us. First factor is latitude. Latitude. Is it right? Now we have to prove that how latitudes affect the climate of India. It means indirectly we have to learn how latitudes affect the temperature in India. Now we will compare it. First of all, latitudinal extension of India. Latitudinal extension of India. Latitudinal extension of India. Can you say anyone? Hello? बोलो. हाँ बोलो.
Sir, 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north.
You may see here the latitudinal extension of India is 6 degree 4 minute north latitude to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. It is the latitudinal extension of India. Is it right? Someone has told, rightly told, but it was the mainland. Rishi has told to 8 degree 4 minute north latitude to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. It is an extension of India's mainland, not whole India, because Andaman Nicobar is the also part of India and it lies below 8 degree 4 minute. Therefore,
सर इसके बाद स्टार
yeah,
मार्क
tell
लगा।
me. स्टार मार्क नहीं है भैया, वो डिग्री का साइन है। 6 डिग्री 45 मिनट, डिग्री का साइन जल्दी में नहीं खोज पाए इसलिए उसी को पुट कर दिए। यू शुड, ये स्टार, इट इज नॉट स्टार मार्क, इट इज डिग्री साइन। 6 डिग्री 45 मिनट का साइन ये होता है। इट इज राइट। नॉर्थ टू 37 डिग्री 6 मिनट नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड्स। इज इट क्लियर? बी attentive and listen ki how I would like to prove you how latitudes affect the climate of India. It means this is the latitudinal extension of India. You should keep in your mind this one is the latitudinal extension of India. Is it right? And in earlier class or in earlier class you had studied about the distribution of temperature zone on the earth. Can you say temperature zone of the earth? I would like to word temperature zone of the earth. Have you remember anyone? Tell me.
Torrid zone, temperate zone, frigid zone.
Very good. Name your good name.
Sir Adityanand.
Yes, very nice. Torrid zone. Torrid zone. It lies between 0 degree, it lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Am I right? The extension of torrid zone is between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, यानी 23 degree north latitude, 23.5 degree north latitude to 23.5 degree south latitude. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
You have to listen very patiently. And next told Adityanand, temperate zone, north temperate zone. Only I have to study about the India's contrast. North temperate zone, it lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. Just I said two temperature zone of the earth. Is it right? There are 5 temperature zones. One is torrid zone, 2 temperate zone 2 hai, one is north temperate zone, another is south temperate zone. Frigid zone is also 2, north frigid zone and south frigid, 2 plus 2 plus 1, because torrid zone are continuous. Okay, is it right? Hello.
Yes sir.
Now,
Yes sir.
Yes, very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
I want can see here, now I would like to see here. Are you observing? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can see here, these are the heat zone of the earth. You may see from north to south, this one frigid zone. This line is the Arctic Circle and this point is the North Pole. You may see here blue color is indicating the frigid, North frigid zone. After that, this one is the Tropic of Cancer. You may see here. And this one is Arctic Circle. In yellow color, this one is the temperate zone. But I taught to you, torrid zone is continuously extended between both hemispheres equally, between Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn. Now, it means we have to study the temperature zone of the above the equator line. You can see here, above the equator line 1, 2, 3. Below the equator line 1, 2, 3. The 1 is common, therefore total temperature zone having 5. Am I right? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you should say, I actually shown on the map, but I want to make it clear. It is the hottest zone. Am I right? And it is not hot. It is tropical, it is subtropical. So now you should say, Sayam, tell me that the extension of India's temperature zone. It is the temperature zone of the earth, and I shared with you about the extension of latitudinal extension of India's. इंडिया का लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंशन आपके सामने है और ये वर्ल्ड का टेम्परेचर जोन आपके सामने है. अब यू हैव टू सेट बोथ एंड टेल मी द टेम्परेचर जोन ऑफ इंडिया. बताओ टेम्परेचर जोन इंडिया का बताओ जल्दी से. कैन यू से एनीवन? नो वन.
torrid zone.
कहां से कहां तक टॉरिड जोन? वो तो हम भी बोल देंगे, हम तो 2 ही लिखे ही हैं. ऑलरेडी आई हैव रिटन 2 जोन. देयर आर 5 हिट जोन्स ऑन द अर्थ, बट आउट ऑफ 5 only I have explained only 2 on the board or on the sheet. For what? Because only 2 zones is applicable for the India's heat zone. That's why I have mentioned only 2 zones. Only you have to compare between them. It means India's heat zone. Just I would like to share with you so that because we have to study. मुझे जो पढ़ना है वह पढ़ना है कि टेम्परेचर कैसे अफेक्ट होगा. तो फर्स्ट फैक्टर इज द लैटिट्यूड इज द अफेक्टिंग फैक्टर ऑफ टेम्परेचर. Now I want to prove that how latitude affects the temperature and temperature of India. You may see here first 6 degree 45 minute north to 23 and half degree north latitude area of India comes under tropical zone, that is torrid zone. Am I right? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Just I shared with you, this one you may see here, this is the latitudinal extension of India. The India starts from 6 degree 45 minutes and ends from on 37 degree 6 minutes. But global distribution of temperature zone is, the torrid zone is extended Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn in between. Therefore, we can say the area of India 6 degree 45 minutes north to 33.5 degree north latitude of India, area of India comes under tropical zone or torrid zone. Is it right? It means one zone. Another, just I would like to say, another 23 and half degree north to 37 degree 6 minute north part of India comes under subtropical zone. Am I right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, you may see here it was the last extension of India is 37 degree 6 minutes, or starting line of India is 6 degree 45 minutes, but both are latitudinally are different temperature zone. Is it clear or not? If you have doubt, you can ask. अगर आपको संदेह इसमें समझ, मैंने अभी आपको पढ़ाया कि इंडिया का लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंशन जो है, this one is the latitudinal extension and this one is the global extension of temperature zone. Whenever we will compare both, then you will find that India is extended, so it is the starting point of India, of course, and up to this area is on the globe. This is Tropic of Cancer. You can see this line is called Tropic of Cancer. It lies in the area of tropical zone or torrid zone. So what happened? You can see here. Now I would like to prove that it means India, this one is that यहां तक ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर तक का एरिया जो देख रहे हो, यहां तक भारत का जो भाग है, अब इसको हम दूसरे इसमें करते हैं. समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात? हेलो?
यस सर.
सर
अब समझ में आया कि देखो हम लैटिट्यूड को शो कर रहे हैं कि लैटिट्यूड कैसे टेम्परेचर जोन को अफेक्ट कर रहा है. तो यू कैन सी हियर, यानी कि इंडिया का एक्सटेंशन जो है 6 डिग्री, ये 0 है तो मान लो इसको 6 डिग्री. देखो दिस वन इज 6 degree 45 minute नॉर्थ. इंडिया यहां से शुरू हुआ, हो गया. और लेकिन इस लाइन तक ही टोरिड जोन है। देखो ये इस लाइन तक टोरिड जोन है, लेकिन इंडिया यहीं तक नहीं है, इंडिया इसके आगे भी है। It means above this line to this line is the last extension of India. That's I taught to you 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. What do you see? 50% area of India lies in the tropical zone. This one the red, and the rest area lies under. Tell me.
Temperate.
Tell me.
Temperate zone.
Is it clear? सुना नहीं, ये इंडिया को हम बना दिए रफली। अब समझ में आया? हेलो, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड द फैक्ट? क्या समझा कि आधा भाग इंडिया का ये भाग जो है, ये भाग जो है, इतना भाग जो इंडिया है, ये देखो अपने आप आपको दिख रहा है, टू कलर दिख रहा है। तो ऑरेंज कलर, this is the sign of tropical zone, and green color, light green, is the sign of subtropical zone. You can see that temperature, according to temperature distribution, two type of temperature having in our nation. One is this area receives a high amount of the heat throughout the year. Therefore, you will see southern part of India receives maximum amount of heat throughout the year, but at the same time in the northern part of India during summer extremely hot, during winter extremely cold. Am I right or wrong? Tell me.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
What do you see? It means latitudes, line of latitudes in India determines two type of heat zone in India. It means the area, just I had taught to you in chapter 1 or 2, how many states Tropic of Cancer passes. Have you remember anyone?
Yes,
No.
sir. Eight states, sir.
Can you say? Yes. Below this line, that part of India, it means Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu,
Chhattisgarh,
Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, etc., Orissa are the area of tropical zone.
yes,
इसलिए
sir.
देखोगे साउथ इंडियन को देखोगे तो साउथ इंडियन और अफ्रीकन में बहुत अंतर नहीं समझ में आएगा। देखे हो अन्ना को? देखे हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अरे वेरी कॉमन फीचर में बताता हूँ कि हर बच्चे का पॉपुलर सीरियल है तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा। देखे हो?
Yes, sir.
तो उसमें एक कैरेक्टर साउथ इंडियन भी है, नाम बताओ उसका।
Iyer.
Sir, Iyer.
Iyer, sir.
हाँ? अय्यर है ना? हाँ, तो यह जो देखो बेटा, तो इट मीन्स यहाँ टेम्परेचर हाई है, और टेम्परेचर जहाँ हाई होगा वहाँ स्किन का कलर ब्लैक होगा, याद रखना। जहाँ टेम्परेचर लो होगा वहाँ स्किन का कलर बहुत व्हाइट होगा। जैसे देखो जम्मू कश्मीर एरिया ऑफ द इंडिया हैविंग लो टेम्परेचर जोन, therefore you will see the people of this region having so smart in comparison to this area. Am I right or wrong? Tell me.
सर जम्मू कश्मीर के सारे लोग गोरे होते हैं, कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है जो काला नहीं होता।
एक अरे ऐसा देखो, जेनेटिकली भी तो होता है कुछ तो देखो, जीन भी तो डिटरमाइन करता है ना तुम्हारा व्हाइटनेस। आप लोग बायो पढ़ते होगे तो यू नो, लेकिन ओवरऑल कॉमन बता रहा हूँ, कॉमन ओवरऑल यहाँ देखोगे मैक्सिमम स्मार्ट लोग होंगे। अब कोई साउथ इंडियन यहाँ जाके बस गया तो थोड़े गोरा हो जाएगा, बोलो।
यस सर।
अगर कोई साथ
Yes,
तो
sir.
जेनेटिकली भी होता है, लेकिन बेटा कॉमन एक्सेप्टेंस है कि नॉर्मली जहां भी कोल्ड क्लाइमेट देखो न पूरे वर्ल्ड में, अंग्रेज जिसको बोलते हो, अंग्रेज जो बोलते हो, तो व्हाट डज इट मीन? अमेरिकन पीपल, यूरोपियन पीपल आर हैविंग सो व्हाइट, व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर वेरी कोल्ड क्लाइमेटिक जोन, but those countries are lying below this line to this line, you will see they are so black due to scorching sunset. यहाँ सन के हिट के कारण ऐसा होता है बेटा। आउट आगे बढ़ो, बोलो।
यस सर।
यस सर।
यस सर।
इस इसका मतलब क्या हुआ आपको? आपने समझा कि टेम्परेचर भारत को दो पार्ट में बांटता है। द टेम्परेचर और लैटिट्यूड ऑफ इंडिया डिवाइड्स होल इंडिया इनटू टू पार्ट्स, दैट इज ट्रॉपिकल इंडिया एंड सब ट्रॉपिकल इंडिया। Am I right? This one is the tropical India and this one is the subtropical India. So of course we can say the latitude of a place determines the temperature and temperature determines the climate. What does it mean? It means you can see there will be great variation in climatic condition between South India and North India. Am I right or wrong? आप चले जाओ साउथ इंडिया में तो देखोगे वहां टेम्परेचर, हाई टेम्परेचर का इन्फ्लुएंस ज्यादा होगा, लेकिन नॉर्थ इंडिया में चले जाओ तो वहां लो टेम्परेचर का इन्फ्लुएंस ज्यादा होगा। तो जस्ट आई टोल्ड टू यू, टेम्परेचर इज ए मास्टर की फॉर द क्लाइमेटिक डिटरमाइनिंग ऑफ क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन। कंडीशन के लिए टेम्परेचर क्या है? मास्टर की है। तरह के टेम्परेचर है। आपको सर इसका फायदा क्या होगा हमको? अब देखो फायदा बताता हूं, फायदा बताता हूं। क्लियर? देखो दिख रहा है कुछ? बोलो बेटा, दिख रहा है कुछ?
इंडिया का पॉलिटिकल मैप।
इंडिया का पॉलिटिकल मैप दिख रहा है ना? वेरी गुड।
यस सर।
अरे
इमेजेस पे जाइए सर, आ जाएगा।
इंडिया पॉलिटिकल मैप देख रहे हो? कॉपी नहीं कर रहा। Wait for a few minutes. See here. Are you observing? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now you should see. This is the demarcation line between tropical and subtropical. You can see, just I would like to say, influence of tropical. You may see from this line to this line. Am I right? यही है 6 डिग्री 45 मिनट, यह इंडिया का स्टार्टिंग है. So this line is lies in the temperature zone, and fortunate you will see there are 3C in this area. As a result, excess heat and availability of 3C supports evaporation. यानी कि आप देख पा रहे हो कि यहाँ जो है तीनों, यानी इंडियन ओशियन, बे ऑफ बंगाल और अरेबियन सी है, और ये ट्रॉपिकल जोन में है सब. तो क्या होता है कि एक्सेस हीट के कारण, यहाँ वाटर की अवेलेबिलिटी के कारण, this area get overheated and the evaporation take place in this area. यानी यहाँ पानी भाप बनकर ऊपर उठती है. And whenever temperature, it means just I had taught to you, I will explain later on, कि जब यहाँ बहुत एक्सेस हीट होता है तो क्या होगा, यहाँ लो प्रेशर बनेगा. Just I had taught to you yesterday, there is an opposite relation between air pressure and temperature. So during summer, this area gets extremely hot. As a result, it becomes low pressure. And in the southern hemisphere, having high pressure due to cold climate or winter season. As a result, wind starts blowing from high pressure to low pressure. So this one you may see here, low pressure area. This one is the low pressure area. What do you see? The winds always blow from high pressure to low pressure. During summer, this area becomes low pressure belt. As a result, wind starts blowing from sea to land. As a result, this wind carry huge moisture over this oceanic area or sea area and set their moisture over there. As a result, we get rainfall. So just you can see the latitude of India determines the temperature of India. As a result, we can say. तो अब पढ़ो, कोई किताब पढ़ के सुनाओ. टाइम हो गया क्या? टाइम अगर ऊपर हो गया तो हमको बताओ. You can
हो
say.
गया.
यस सर, हो गया.
अच्छा, हो गया. तो just I taught to you about the facts of India. Only latitude. So latitude determines two type of heat zone for India. One is tropical zone, another is subtropical zone. It is possible due to such type of latitude. अगर इंडिया का एक्सटेंशन इस तरह नहीं होता तो हो सकता है एक ही टेम्परेचर जोन होता. मान लो इंडिया साउथ से स्टार्ट होता, सपोज दैट ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न से स्टार्ट होता और कैंसर में जाके समाप्त हो जाता, तो वह क्या होता है, ओनली ट्रॉपिकल जोन ही रहता. तब यहाँ का क्लाइमेटिक कंट्रास्ट कुछ और होता. तो इसको रीडिंग डालना, तब पढ़ समझ में आएगा कि आखिर क्या है. इट मीन्स आई कैन से latitude determines the temperature and temperature determines the climate of any place. Just I had tried to prove it. Am I right? Agar if any queries in front of you, you can ask. Tell me.
No, sir.
So just बोलो.
सर ट्रॉपिकल जितने भी मतलब जहाँ जिस जो स्टेट्स की ज्यादा टेम्परेचर रहता है वहाँ मतलब हमेशा गर्मी ही रहती है या ठंडा भी होता है?
होगा तो मिल्ड विंटर होगा। साउथ इंडिया में बहुत कोल्ड सीजन नहीं होता, वेदर कोल्ड नहीं होता, मिल्ड विंटर होता। आगे पढ़ोगे ना, इसी में पढ़ेंगे। whenever we will study about the seasons of India, then we will study about the temperature contrast between North India and South India. This called temperature contrast. You may see here that South India having high temperature throughout the year due to latitudinal extension, because the southern part of India nearby equator, therefore our lies in the tropical zone, therefore it experiences high temperature throughout the year in comparison to North India, because North India lies in the subtropical zone, and characteristics of subtropical zone is that during winter it receives extremely cold, and during summer it receives extremely hot. This is the characteristics of temperate zone. Am I right? Hello.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
सर लेकिन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर तो वही सब ट्रॉपिकल जोन में लाई करता है, तो वहाँ हमेशा ठंडा ही रहता है।
ट्रॉपिकल जोन में है जम्मू कश्मीर में, पगली की सब ट्रॉपिकल में है।
सब ट्रॉपिकल कह रहे हैं, सब ट्रॉपिकल में जम्मू कश्मीर है।
और है ना, और फैक्टर अभी तो एक फैक्टर पढ़ा है। Only I have taught to you only one factor, latitude, but another factor is remaining. Altitude is remaining absent. Latitude also affect the influence the temperature. How latitude influence the temperature? Coming class I will explain it. I have explained only role of latitude in the distribution of temperature. Next day I will teach to you role of altitude in the distribution of temperature. Then you will be able to understand why Jammu Kashmir having cold throughout the year. Whenever we will compiled both latitude as well as altitude. Is it clear?
Okay,
Can
sir.
I exit? Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.